Hey guys, Terry Stone here with another video for you guys. I know it's been a day or two since I released it. Happy late Easter for everyone out there. I was doing stuff with the family this weekend, really didn't put any videos out. But I'm going to try something a little different today. I'm going to try a little bit of visual training and show you what this system has to offer. And hopefully give you a little bit of value today. So let's go ahead and jump right into the computer so I can start the training. Alright guys, so I'm hoping you guys can see this whiteboard here. You know, there are a lot of times that I hear online, not just from people asking me, but asking other people, or just making posts in general, and they're confused. They don't know what they should do. Some people tell them one thing, then others tell them another. And they want you to train this way, but then some others want you to train this way. And it can get kind of confusing, don't get me wrong. I understand that. But it's kind of calling the kettle black if you're listening to everybody. Why are you listening to everyone? Why are you not choosing one person and following how they train you? That's just an idea. So here we go, guys. So on the whiteboard here, let's say this is your world, your affiliate marketing world, or your product world, or whatever you want, whatever you're into. Okay? Right here, you have the gurus. We're going to do... hang on. We're going to do G for guru. Forgive my writing, guys. I'm having to do this with a mouse, and it's not very good. We're going to do guru 1. And guru 2. Alright, so with guru 1, he's over here, focus on one thing. It can be a product, it can be an affiliate product, anything, as long as you're selling it. They want you to focus on one product, one form of traffic. I'll do T for traffic. And they want you to take that traffic and send it to this one product. Okay? So, and that's all good. It's great. Actually, that is one of the better ways to do affiliate marketing and your own products, things like that. One product at a time. You want to become a master at it and the expert. And then, you can make some money. The theory behind this is the fact that if you focus on one product and you train yourself in that product and you do these videos on that one product and you send one traffic source to that product and you learn one traffic source and you learn, you eventually become the master, which then becomes an expert at it, right? Then people start coming to you and all that good stuff, and you make more money selling in the long run. Now this is the long game. This is what we consider a long game because it takes a while to get one product to start selling so much that you're just making bank. Then you have guru number 2 over here who says, no, don't focus on one. That's dumb. Let's focus on multiple streams of income. So we're going to do little things here. Boom, boom, boom. Multiple streams of income. You could do affiliate marketing, your own products. Let's see. You could do different programs. You could do videos. You could do Facebook. All kinds of different, traffic. We'll do the T for traffic. They say to go to different sources of traffic. You know what I mean? Boom, push it towards all of these. Send traffic to as many as you can. If one fails, you have other ones available. And you know what? They do make money. They do. You can make money from this. And you can make fast money. But there's a big difference between these two. Big, big difference. You see, the multiple streams of income, yeah. It's a legit business model. That way, if you do have one or two that collapse, you still have those other ones out there. You might get lucky with one or two, and they may become big for a short time. And it's fast money. You got a lot of things out there. You're going different traffic sources. You're sending them to all these different offers. You have your hands in so many cookie jars. Yeah, you get money pretty quick. But it's not long term. See, these types by themselves are more of the short term, make you a lot of money, make you a lot of money, make you a lot of money, and then eventually they die out and you have to find another route. Where guru number 1 has you on one item, one source of income, one traffic source, push, 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 become the master, become the expert, and yes, it is a long game, but you become a master at it. When you become a master at it, you make more money longer. Because now not only are you doing that one or selling that one product, you're a master now and an expert. Your expertise becomes money. Your coaching becomes money on that one item. You see what I'm getting at? So, Terry, what are you trying to tell me? I'm trying to tell you that they're both correct. You have one that's long-term, more money. You have one that's short-term with a lot of money. You know what I mean? But you also have to burn some ideas and redo some other ideas. Because eventually those ideas become stale. You never become an expert. They never come to you for advice. So I ask you, which one would you rather have? Would you rather have the money right now, short term, blah, 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 and never become an expert at anything? Nobody comes to you for anything. You might shoot a YouTube video and they might say, who's that guy? Or would you rather take the long road? Take a little bit longer to make money. Become an expert, become a master. Everybody be looking for you. Oh, hey, that's Terry. We gotta go watch his videos. He knows what he's talking about. Hey, Terry, how do you do this? How do you do that? Hey, I'm having issues here with this. See, guys, I like both these modules. And personally, I can't pick just one. I really like the concept behind the multi-stream income because it's fast money. It's money from every rich direction. That way, no matter where you're looking, you're getting money coming in. But I also know that takes your focus away from one item, and it's a lot harder to sell things because you don't become an expert. I also like the one item that you put your time into because you become an expert. You become Mr. Popular, Mrs. Popular. You become the person the people go to fix the issues they have with that one item. And then all of a sudden you have different ways to start charging for your time. So, Terry, why are you doing this video? Why are you telling me you like them both? That doesn't make any sense. Which one do I do? Do both. Did that sink in? You heard me right. Do both. What if I told you that I have a way where you can focus all your time into one platform, all your time into one product, so So let me do this real quick. This is, I'm going to put me for me. It's one platform. However, when you get into this platform's making you money, by the way. There's all these multiple streams of income already ready to go for you. You don't have to create anything. No extra work. None of that. One platform with multiple streams of income inside, built into it, so that you, as the affiliate, get to have multiple streams of income and not all the stress. You shoot one item out there, one product. People come in, sign up to that one product, and inside there, they see all the different other items inside, just ready for them to purchase and pay you money. What if I also told you that the training for these products are done by somebody else, are being done for you? That's right, the creator of this product. He is doing the training for you. There's a Facebook group people can go to. There is a YouTube channel that people can go to. Inside the actual platform, he has videos. So he does the selling and the training for you. All you have to do is push traffic. Shoot traffic right towards that one platform. Let them get into that platform and let the training begin. What if I also told you it's peer-to-peer payments? So your commissions are given to you right away. No wait time, no 30 days you have to wait, or 60 days, or you get paid every Thursday. None of that. You get paid right then and there. Someone sends you money for the product, you get your commission. Simple as that. What if I also told you it's 100% commissions on everything? Everything. 100% commissions on the platform you're selling. 100% commissions on all the multiple streams of income you're selling. And you're not even selling it. I take that back. That he's selling for you. And what if I told you that in order to get into this business, into this platform, there's a very, very tiny fee. Oh yes, there's a fee, guys. See, that's one thing I can't stand, are these people who are asking for all this stuff for free. Hey, can you do this for free? I need a business for free. I need to make money, but I don't want to invest. I need to make money, but I don't want to give you any money to help me. Guys, this is a business. This is your business. How would you feel if someone came to you and said, I want you to take the time out of your day, from your family, from everything you're doing, from making money, and help me for free? Personally, me, I'd probably do it because that's the kind of guy I am. I'm not going to lie. I want to help as many people as I can. However, we all got to make money, guys. If we don't make money, what's the point? So yes, there is a small fee. it's no more than maybe as much as you pay to eat out once a week or eat out twice a week. I don't know the size of your family, all that stuff. $35, guys. That's it. Just $35. It's a $25 membership fee, which you get paid 100% of. So you make, every time you sell this product, this platform, you make $25 a month. This is $35 a month. You make $25 a month for the membership fee. And the owner has an admin fee of $10. That's less than half of what you're making. He makes less than half than what you make for his product. And he does most of the work. All you have to do is do like I'm doing, or do it some other way and slam traffic into the product. He does the training, he does the videos, he does everything. All the technical stuff on that side. All you have to do is send traffic. You send traffic, you make money, and you go relax. He does all the work for you. So $10, that's not a bad deal. You make 25, he makes 10, we're all happy. One platform, multiple streams of income inside. The sky is the limit with this product. I'm here to change your life. A lot of people listen to me when I say that, and they laugh and they skulk, and they're like, yeah, right, whatever. No. I am dead serious with this. Listen to me when I tell you. I am here to change your life. $35 a month. Once a month. All it is. From there, you take your future in your own hands. Alright guys, I'm going to stop wasting any more of your time, guys. It's about 17-minute mark. That's not bad. I thought this was going to be a lot longer. But I hope you guys get this whole concept, guys. You have two different gurus teaching you two different things, and it's confusing as hell. I'm offering you a way to combine them both. To stop the madness. To stop wondering, who do I listen to? What do I do? Which way do I go? To just stop. And all you have to do is focus on traffic and making money. That's it. The way online business was supposed to be. Alright guys, my name's Terry Stone. It's another video that I've released for you guys. I hope you guys get the great concept. Do me a favor, if you're wondering what the product is that I'm talking about, in the link, in the first comment below if you're on Facebook, or in the description below if you're on YouTube, you'll see a link to the only link that I'm going to have in there, to the product I'm talking about. This is your chance to change your life. This is your chance for the true freedom that everybody promises you and they never deliver on. This is your chance. Take my hand and take it. I'm here to help you guys. Join my team. I'm here for you. The gentleman inside is waiting for you to help train you. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day, guys.